It's fun doing music in school because it gives us a chance to learn new things and to learn to play something.
And I like playing the tin whistle because there's different speeds of tunes, so you've got to concentrate on what tune you're playing.
I like doing tin whistle because when you're doing fast tunes it's fun.
I like playing the tin whistle because it's a good musical instrument and you learn quite a lot from it.
I've been playing the tin whistle for 3 years and I like playing it because it's fun and I like playing fast tunes because it's hard and you get to learn them.
I've been playing the tin whistle for 2 years. I like it because you get to know some tunes that you've never heard before.
Music in school is very important for the children. It helps them to develop their skills in music and they can go on to use these skills later on in life when they want to learn other musical instruments. It really is a good base for them to start off at. I think it does make the children more aware of their Scottish culture and it makes them more confident. They are able to perform. We quite often use the music that they've been learning at the end of term and they put on a performance for the parents, which they all really enjoy, and the parents are always very impressed at the standard that the children can play at. It benefits me because I'm not very musical at all and the children learn so much from the tutors, much more than I would be able to do if I was sort of learning alongside them.